Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to force restart your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device. If you have any Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device facing the frozen issue or a slow down your phone issue, you need to restart or force restart your Pixel device. To force restart your Google Pixel 10 series, you need to use both the power button and volume up button. So long press both the power button and volume up button until phone screen turn off. So long press both button. Even you can see the power menu. Press both buttons until turn off your phone screen and it will automatically restart. So this is the steps to force restart your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL. Press until automatically turn off the screen. You can see the black screen. Now you can see black screen. Now remove the buttons and you can see it will automatically restart your Google Pixel 10 series. So quite easy to force restart or force reboot your Pixel 10 series using this power button and volume up button. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this video. Thank you for watching this.